Earth Day is a celebration of this beautiful planet that we call home. But it's not just a celebration. It's also a call to action, right? It's a call for all of us to do what we can to leave this planet at least a little bit better than we found it for current and future generations. There's so much that Ecology and its dedicated workforce does each and every day to restore our Earth. Our mission is to protect our water, our lands, our air, and our climate. And we do that through restoration of habitat. We do that through our cutting-edge research. We do that through recycling. And we do that through respect for equity, because having a good, clean, healthy environment means having a good, clean, healthy environment for everybody. Every Washingtonian deserves that. I guess I'd say to everybody out there, let's all work together and let's do what we can collectively to leave this planet a little bit better than we found it.